Gonna replace this mirror on this 2016 Honda Accord V6 Touring. Mirror is completely functional, but the owner wanted to replace it because a little bit of damage over here on the cover. I know the front cover you could order by itself, but I guess the back one, correct me if I'm wrong, you have to replace the whole mirror. Good news about this is it's not the passenger side, so we don't need to worry about calibrating or whatnot. So what we got to do is remove the door panel and this trim right here, tweeter trim. To remove the door panel, there's a cover over here. Got to pop that out, either 1 or 2 screws. It's been a while. I don't think I've ever done one on this model, but same concept. This should pop out. There should be a screw in there, and then we should be able to pop out the door panel. Mirror should be cake, just like the older Hondas, back how it used to be. So first of all, you got to make sure it's the correct mirror before we start taking stuff apart. Does it look like it's the driver's? Yep, sure does. Okay, connector right there. Let's see. It looks the same. You can slap it on. So for this one, I like to use a small pick so you can reach down in there. There's a little tab right here that needs to be pressed down. So you can use a pocket screwdriver too, but I can't find mine at the moment. So it looks like there's 2 screws. So you just take out these 2 screws. I actually have a cordless screwdriver, but I don't know where that's at either. Don't lose the screws, put it right here. And then now I'm gonna pop this out. It's like Legos. All right. Oh, I hate aftermarket alarms. Dealers like installing this crap. I just don't like them. I don't like how they have to tap into the existing wire harness, you know. So we're gonna have to take these connectors off right here. So you just take your fingernail, whatever you can get in there, push it down. Let's see if I could do it with one hand. Probably not. Okay, I had to put the camera down so I could use 2 hands. I used my finger to push this little tab right here down, and at the same time I'm pulling this little lock mechanism that this connector has, and then now it should just pull out. Bam. And then this one's easy. Okay, bam, just like that. Okay, this is the screw we need to access. Okay, so now this panel should be able to come off. So there's clips all around. All you have to do is yank on it. Not just yank on it, but you might need to get your finger in here or use a tool just to open it up a little bit so you can get your finger in there. Get up in here. You just enough to get your finger in there. And then you can just pop these out. Don't be scared. Gotta take this trim off, I believe. Just use a trim tool so you don't damage anything. All right, disconnect the tweeter. All right, door panel is off the door. Now I'm gonna show you guys what to do next. So 3 nuts right here. You gotta remove this wiring loom right here and then disconnect the mirror. So I had to undo this. I was using a pick, then I took a little screwdriver and pried this out. Now we could loosen the mirror. Back in the golden era days, these were 8mm. Now they're going to 10. It's been a while. I swear these are 8mm back in the days. All right, cool. Now, you just squeeze this and push, and the mirror should come out. Should come out. Bada boom, bada beam. All right. Okay, now you just line up the bolt holes and should be good to go. If I could get it to line up. Alrighty, there it is. So there's 2 clips right here that help hold the mirror up. Just gotta pop it in. And once it's popped in, you don't need to worry too much about the mirror falling. But don't take no chances. Hurry up and start putting the nuts on. All right, just tighten away. Do it step by step. Don't just crank down on one end and then, so tighten, tighten, tighten all the way around. Careful if you're using a ratchet, you don't want to go to town. See, about right there, that's good enough. Like when your quarter drive ratchet kind of tells you when it's kind of struggling a little bit, you don't need to force it. This thing's pretty powerful, so if you did go to town, it could actually possibly break this. All right, so I'm just gonna pop this out. Let's see if I can do it by hand. Ooh, almost, almost. All right, we'll get some wire cutters. Got a cloth, rag, or whatever, just so that way it won't harm the paint. That's the end goal anyway. All right, I cut it off, but I didn't take the tab off. Come on. All right, just trying to be careful not to harm the paint. All right, gave up on the rag. Bam. Now just put everything back as is. I did notice this has already been off, so I'm wondering if they already had work done previously for something else, like maybe a door lock actuator or something. All right, so this is how you put the door panel back on. There's some clips back here, so you gotta make sure they line up. All I have to do is pop it in just like Legos. Well, maybe not like Legos, but bam. Then put the screws on and you're golden. So this hooks first, just like that. Line it up nice, snap it in. Bam, there you go. Oops, nope, thought we were done. Put this cover back on. Bam. Bada bing, bada boom. Hey, that's all there is to it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you on the next one. Peace.